electromagnetic wave. For example, this is the sun. Okay, this sun to emit the light in the form of waves. Once again I repeat, this is the sun. Sun emit the light. Okay, this light traveled in the form of waves. Okay, this wave is nothing but the electromagnetic wave. This wave is called as electromagnetic wave. In the electromagnetic wave, okay, wave propagation, for example, suppose along x-axis, electrical field acting y-axis, magnetic field acting z-axis. That means here, electrical field acting on the wave. So, first I discuss energy density in electrical field. Because electromagnetic wave consists of electrical field and magnetic field. Energy density, generally density is nothing but the mass by volume. Energy density means energy stored per unit volume. Energy stored per unit volume. Okay? Here in the electricity, the chapter name capacitor, this formula can be derived in the next week. Directly I give formula 1/2 epsilon naught E square Rms. In the topic, energy density in the electrical field formula is half into epsilon naught into E square Rms. Here, epsilon naught is permittivity of free space. In the electricity, this is a constant. Here, its value we know that 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. Okay? ERMS. ERMS means RMS electrical field. ERMS formula we know that E naught by root 2. IRMS I naught by root 2. VRMS V naught by root 2. Here this is the RMS electrical field. E naught is called maximum electrical field. Okay? In this equation, energy density due to electrical field, what is the formula? Half into epsilon naught into ERMS. ERMS write as E naught by root 2 whole square. Here neatly write as half into epsilon naught into E naught square by 2. It neatly write as 1/4 into epsilon naught into E naught square. This is the formula for energy density in electrical field. What is the energy density in electrical field formula? 1/4 epsilon naught into E naught square. Here E naught is maximum electrical field over amplitude of electrical field. Okay? Next here energy density in magnetic field, because in the electromagnetic wave consists of electrical field and magnetic field. Energy density basic formula is energy stored per unit volume. Here, according to magnetism, this formula is 1/2 mu naught B square Rms. Okay, but B RMS write as RMS magnetic field write as B naught by root 2 whole square. Neatly write as 2 into 2 4 1/4 mu naught B naught square. This is the formula for This is the energy density in magnetic field. What is the energy density in electrical field formula? 1 by 4 epsilon naught E naught square. What is the energy density in magnetic field formula? 1 by 4 mu naught into E naught square. Here mu naught is a permeability of free space. This is a constant value for magnetism. Mu naught value we know that 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. This is the energy density in magnetic field. But we know that energy density in electromagnetic wave, EM wave. Once again I repeat now. Energy density in electromagnetic wave. Energy density in EM wave. EM wave means electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave means energy density in electrical field. Energy density in electrical field plus energy density in magnetic field. Okay, because electromagnetic wave consists of both electrical field and magnetic field. Energy density in electrical field from equation 1 by 4 epsilon naught E naught square. Here also 1 by 4 mu naught B naught square from the equation number 2. Here. Okay? But in the last class I discussed relation between electrical field and magnetic field. E naught equal to CB naught. Here E naught is electrical field amplitude. B naught is magnetic field amplitude. Amplitude means maximum. Here B naught I substitute now 1 by 4 epsilon naught E naught square equal to 1 by 4 mu naught into here write B naught value nana. B naught write as E naught by C. B naught square write as E naught square by C square. C square we know that 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. Nana, yesterday I discussed velocity of light in vacuum formula 1 by under root mu naught epsilon naught. Squaring both sides 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. Okay? Here, look here Nana. Here mu naught what? Cancel. Neatly write as 1 by 4 epsilon naught E naught square plus 1 by 4 epsilon naught E naught square. To see here, this one same. That is very important. Notice Nana. Energy density in electrical field equal to energy density in magnetic field. What is the energy density in electrical field? 1 by 4 epsilon naught E naught square. What is the energy density in magnetic field? 1 by 4 mu naught B naught square. But here also same. That means energy density in electrical field equal to energy density in magnetic field. Here PAU plus PAU of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 1 by 2 epsilon naught E naught square. This also write as 1 by 2 mu naught B naught square because energy density in electrical field equal to energy density in magnetic field. This is the energy density in electromagnetic wave. Energy density in EM wave. What is the formula? 1 by 2 epsilon naught into E naught square over 1 by 2 mu naught into B naught square. Only energy density in electrical field and energy density in a magnetic field. In this concept, I discuss some problems Nana to see here. Energy density formulas Nana, problems. Energy density problems. Here, look here Nana. In this question number 21 in the material, maximum electrical field denoted by E naught is 88. Okay. Find the energy density in the electromagnetic wave. Now I discuss energy density in electromagnetic wave formula is half into epsilon naught into E naught square over 1 by 2 mu naught B naught square. According to data, E naught is given, so this formula will be used. 1 by 2 epsilon naught write as 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 into E naught write as 88 whole square. Okay. Here Nana it will be calculate. Finally we get answer Nana. Here answer we get 3.4 into 10 power minus 8. Okay. This is the answer. I discuss another model Nana 22. Here also RMS value of electrical field is given. ERMS is given. Its value is 314. We know that ERMS formula is E naught by root 2. 314. ERMS write as E naught by root 2. Here E naught equal to 314 into root 2. This is the maximum electrical field. Okay. Find the average density in electrical field first. Then energy density in electrical field only. Energy density in electrical field only. Electrical field. Only electrical field means దీంట్లో half. Half means half. That means 1 by 4 epsilon naught E naught square. Next question, energy density in electromagnetic wave. అంటే ఈ వచ్చిన దానికి డబుల్ చేయాలి. అదేంటి సార్ అంటే energy density in the electromagnetic wave consists of electrical field and magnetic field. But here determine electrical field. Magnetic field also same because energy density in the electrical field equal to energy density in the magnetic field. So that's why 2 into energy density of electrical field. Okay, energy density of electromagnetic wave equal to 2 into energy density of electrical field. ORR. We use the formula also. Energy density of electromagnetic wave direct formula is half into epsilon naught into E naught square. By using formula or by using directly to apply. Okay. Next last problem this model 23. Look here. The RMS value of electrical field of light coming from the sun is here E naught ERMS is given. ERMS means 720. We know that ERMS formula is E naught by root 2 into 720. Here E naught equal to 720 into root 2 Nana. This is the E naught value. Here find the average energy density in electromagnetic wave Nana. Energy density in electromagnetic wave, total electromagnetic wave formula is half into epsilon naught into E naught square. By using this formula to solve this problem Nana, finally we get 4.58 into 10 power minus 6. కొంతమంది చెప్తుంటారు ఈ నాట్ ఉంది సార్, మరి ఇప్సిలాన్ నాట్ వాల్యూ ఏంటి అంటే ఇప్సిలాన్ నాట్ అంటే పర్మిటివిటీ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీ స్పేస్ ఇన్ ద ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ. హియర్ ఇప్సిలాన్ నాట్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. In the next video I discuss intensity concept.